the largest bony fish that has ever existed, a huge, heavy, powerful, and dumbest fish. Hi everyone, I'm your favorite host, Mr. Solo, and today we're going to talk about sunfish. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our future videos. Also, if you love fish and marine life in general, then check out our other content. But without further ado, let's get started. The Mola-Mola, or simply sunfish, is a species of ray-finned fish in the family Mola-Molidae. This is one of the largest extant bony fishes, reaching a maximum length of 3 meters and a maximum weight of 2,400 kilograms. It feeds primarily on zooplankton, but will also consume small fish and squid. The Mola-Mola is found in temperate and tropical waters around the world, usually at depths of 0 to 500 meters. However, it can dive much deeper if it needs to. Now that we know where it's found, how big it gets, and what it eats, let's take a look at some more fun facts about this big guy. Fact number 1. It is a very, very heavy fish. The sunfish is one of the heaviest fish in the sea. They can weigh up to 2,200 kilograms and reach a maximum length of 3 meters. In fact, the current world record for the heaviest sunfish ever caught is 2,400 kilograms. It's the same as 5 adult males or 9 adult females. The sunfish is so heavy that it is often called the big fish, or the giant fish. Fact number 2. It is a very ancient fish. The sunfish has been around for a very long time. Fossil evidence suggests that they first appeared in the fossil record during the Cretaceous period. That's over 100 million years ago. And they have remained relatively unchanged since then. In fact, the sunfish is one of the oldest living species of fish. Fact number 3. It is a very strange-looking fish. The sunfish has a very distinctive appearance. It has a large, round body with a very wide mouth. Its eyes are very large and its fins are very small. In fact, the sunfish is so strange-looking that it is often mistaken for a different species of fish. For example, the Mola-Mola sunfish is often mistaken for the Mola-Mola sardine. Number 4. It is a very solitary fish. The sunfish is a very solitary fish. They are rarely seen in groups, preferring to swim alone most of the time. When they do swim in groups, it is usually only for a short time, and then they go back to swimming alone. This is because the sunfish is a very territorial fish. They defend their territory aggressively from other sunfish and from other species of fish. In fact, the sunfish is one of the most aggressive species of fish. Let's move on to some characteristics of the Mola-Mola. First, we'll look at its power. The Mola-Mola is an extremely powerful fish. Its muscles are so strong that it is able to swim at speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour. It is also able to jump out of the water and onto land. In fact, there have been many reports of Mola-Mola sunfish jumping into boats and eating the fish that were being stored in them. Let's now take a look at the age of the Mola-Mola. The Mola-Mola is a very old fish. They can live up to 90 years. That's the equivalent of 9 times an adult human lifespan. The age of the Mola-Mola makes it one of the oldest living animals in the world. Next, let's look at its food. The Mola-Mola is a carnivorous fish. It feeds on smaller fish and squid. It also eats plankton and algae. The Mola-Mola is not a picky eater and will eat just about anything that it can catch. Let's now take a look at some other characteristics of the Mola-Mola. The Mola-Mola has a very large mouth. Its mouth is so large that it can swallow prey whole. The Mola-Mola also has very sharp teeth. Its teeth are used for catching and eating prey. The Mola-Mola also has very powerful jaws. Its jaws are used for crushing prey. The Mola-Mola also has a very large heart. Its heart is used to pump blood throughout its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very large liver. Its liver is used to store energy. The Mola-Mola also has a very large stomach. Its stomach is used to digest food. The Mola-Mola also has a very large intestine. Its intestine is used to absorb nutrients. The Mola-Mola also has a very large brain. Its brain is used to control its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very large eye. Its eye is used to see predators and prey. The Mola-Mola also has a very large fin. Its fin is used for swimming. The Mola-Mola also has a very large scale. Its scales are used to protect its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very thick skin. Its skin is used to protect its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very strong skeleton. Its skeleton is used to support its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very strong muscle. Its muscle is used for swimming. It uses its heart and blood vessels to transport blood throughout its body. It uses its kidneys and bladder to remove waste from its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient reproductive system. It uses its gonads and reproductive organs to produce eggs and sperm. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient immune system. It uses its white blood cells and lymph nodes to fight disease. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient integumentary system. It uses its skin and mucous membranes to protect its body from the environment. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient skeletal system. It uses its skeleton and joints to support and move its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient muscular system. It uses its muscles and tendons to move its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient lymphatic system. It uses its lymph vessels and lymph nodes to transport lymph fluid throughout its body. The Mola-Mola also has a very efficient respiratory system. It uses its lungs and airways to obtain oxygen. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And if you have anything else you want to share with us, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.